It's all about capacity. The higher a player's capacity or the closer a player's capacity is to optimal in any physical attribute, the more successful he'll be on the ice. And because every physical attribute complements each other, they all need to be trained. My friend Eric Cressy uses a really good analogy to help explain this concept. I want you to picture a glass half filled with water. Think of a player's overall physical capacity as the glass, and the water in the glass representing his current level of maximum speed. Doing things like running sprints and improving technique will help add water to the glass. In other words, it will help maximize the player's speed within his current capacity. This isn't necessarily a bad approach because it helps improve the player's performance, but ultimately the amount the player can improve will be limited by his capacity or the size of the glass. Once the glass is full of water, the player's improvement is capped. In contrast, a comprehensive training approach with all the components I mentioned earlier will increase both the amount of water and the size of the glass. In other words, it will improve the player's performance and their capacity to improve. This is what we want. We want a huge, constantly expanding glass, and we want massive amounts of water pouring into it. Isolating training variables like only doing speed training will compromise training gains.